How to fix Snapchat login problem. So if you're facing a problem with Snapchat login, like if you're trying to log into your Snapchat account and if that is giving you an error, then the first thing you need to check is your app your app must be up to date. So if your app is not on the latest version, then you might find this kind of problem. So first open up your Play Store and then tap on the search bar and then search for Snapchat. And if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update and you have to update your Snapchat application. And even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply remove that and open up your settings and go for apps and notifications and tap on see all apps and then search for Snapchat and then open up your Snapchat application on your settings and go for storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. And even after clearing the cache, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your Snapchat and go for your profile, which is on the upper left, and then go to settings, which is on the upper right, and scroll down and go for clear cache and then tap on continue. And the last fix is to uninstall your application. So after uninstalling, you can again install it from your Play Store or your App Store and then you can log into your account. And if that still doesn't fix, then you can restart your device, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.